Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. So ngizokhuluma ngovuma ukuthi utheni ukuthi kuyiphupho ukuthi adlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngikhulume ngoZitha, ngikhulume ngoDudley nje ukuthi ufile kanjani meqala ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs amagama akhe. But into engifuna ukuqala ngayo ibaluleke kakhulu bafethu. I don't think abantu ba-aware. I was listening to umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs, uKaizer Motaung Junior lapha ne-Randburg. Ngiwakhumbula manje amagama akhe methi they are doing everything ukuthi babe competitive laphana ku-continental level. Uthe abantu i-statement sakhe abasibambanga kahle, mina bengimlalele kahle ngimuzwa. Uthe bathumela abantu laphana e-Afrika, kusho ukuthi lama-countries lawa bazodlala kuwo, bathumela abantu ukuthi bayobheka i-situation ukuthi bona babe well equipped, bafuna uku-make sure ukuthi benza kahle kakhulu e-Afrika. Imagine this, badlale e-Angola, kusho ukuthi e-Angola bathumela umuntu wobheka on the ground, badlale eCongo, kusho ukuthi bathumela umuntu eCongo wobheka. So i-investment abayifakayo ku-continental level this time around inkulu kakhulu bafethu. Okuvezani noma ukusibonisane, bafuna ukuyiwina i-CAF Confederations Cup, abazange ukuzodlala, they are going there ukuthi bayiwine i-continental trophy, which is the CAF Confederations Cup, i-second tier of i-elite CAF competitions. Ngeke kube lula-ke bafethu, basegruphini ne-team. Umphathi weZamalek usho straight bafethu wathi ku-interesting yes ukuthi baba-draw against i-Al Masry no-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke nje usho straight ukuthi bona bafuna ukuyiwina, they are going all out ukuthi bayiwine, bazo-make sure ukuthi bazoyiwina because banayo futhi ne-experience yokuyiwina. Ne-Kaizer Chiefs umphathi wakhona mawabheka amagama akhe, I mean i-preparation engaka, uthi babuza no-Pirates benza i-research yabo on the ground level ukuthi kahle kahle what to anticipate mabaya kulama countries lawa amanye are different. So I think the players understand ukuthi ku-important kakhulu for bona ukuthi bawine i-CAF Confederations Cup because of lento le izobabeka ku-pedestal ku-African football. But umbuzo omkhulu bafethu ukuthi are they ready to compete kule stage lesi? Do they have that aggression yokuthi balwe ku-continental level then basurvive nama-mind games? Because at the end of the day, a mental game more than just a physical battle inside the field of play. Khona ezinye izinto okumele bakwazi ukubekezelela uma betravela kwamanye ama-country. Can Kaizer Chiefs win it? I think they have a shot. If iStellenbosch isikwazile, I mean iStellenbosch isifike ku-final last season, iStellenbosch isikwazile ukushaya iZamalek le ku-same group ne-Kaizer Chiefs. So i-Kaizer Chiefs izohlulwa yini uma ingakwazi ukumisela? Everything is doable ku-continental football. But umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi bazokwazi kuyiwina na. If bangakwazi kuyiwina, that would be massive for bona i-Kaizer Chiefs as i-brand, njengoba bazi-announcer bafuna ukuzi-reintroduce ku-African football ku-continental level. Ukuthi bahlonishiwe in terms of ibhola, because uma ungadlali ku-CAF football abantu bayakwazi nje ngoba bayakwazi, but-ke uma uqala ukuwina, the buzz on the ground starts to grow about i-team yakho nanokuthi uperforma kanjani. Asingeneni-ke kuvuma bafethu ukuthi uthini or utheni. Uthe beka eze umfana laphana bejwayele ukuwalker e-Soccer City, uthi akaze acabange nje ukuthi yena uyokadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ishintshile impilo yakhe through ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, uyakwazi ukufida noma ngithi ukondla umndeni wakhe, ukuphilisa right. So iphupho for yena ukuthi adlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Magama wakhe strong kakhulu bafethu, opportunity enkulu vele ukuthi a-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean the biggest team in the country by far in terms of like the presence and the buzz and the fans, everything about the Kaizer Chiefs. Is Vuma doing enough then ukubonga egroundini ama-performances wakhe are-right enough for i-Kaizer Chiefs lawe siwabonile? Because uVuma I think uma esekohlanganisa 10 years laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, I mean una-30, but ama-performances wakhe asase-questionable. But at the same time ngiwubuza lo mbuzo lona, ama-fans amaningi awanayo i-trust kuVuma. But through Peterson, I think we can learn something ukuthi umuntu akalahlwa. Lento engihlezi ngisho nakwamanye ama-clip ukuthi umuntu akalahlwa. Why? Bheka uPeterson naye ubuya kuma-mistake amaningi last season, but-ke manje is undisputed number one for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Wenza kahle kakhulu, unama-clean sheets amaningi elikini ku-continental level, and uyazama ngempela ukuya all out ukuthi aphushe a-represent i-team. So kulele kubo uVuma ukuthi le chance they still, well this season akakadlali uVuma, but-ke i-opportunity sasekhona ukuthi akwazi ukucompete to the highest level, ukuthi akwazi ukulwa for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think during the season uzoyithola i-opportunity, kuzoya ngayo ukuthi ureacta kanjani. But to be honest, what we've seen from uVuma, amagama kaBryan Baloyi, legend le-South African football, ugoalkeeper, uthi uVuma uyigwala, meaning that akanayo i-heart the desire and the heart, the persona to lead. Leyo kral, leyo nkani leyo efunakalayo inside the field of play ukuthi uthembe. Cause uma uthemba ngempela une-confidence, amaphutha lawa abuya kuvuma, there's no way uwenze nanokuthi bakukore nje simply. Not when you are confident, no. Amaphutha ayenzeka but-ke amaphutha wakhe maningi kakhulu. But noPeterson ubuya kumaphutha amaningi but ukwazile ukuziredeem. Uvuma at the age of 30 uzokwazi ukuziredeema naku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ama-fans aphinde amthembe because of i-trust on the ground for Uvuma bafethu ayikho at all. Nix, zero more bag i-trust from ama-fans. Maybe even I think because of unama-mistake amaningi ne-team makuvimba Uvuma ayibi comfortable abantu mabeloke bashaya epalini because even nama-oppositions ne-confidence ukuthi masingaloke sishaya something is gonna happen laphana. So I mean kumele abuild i-confidence yakhe. Yabona uPeterson i-confidence yakhe manje is at the peak. uPeterson uperforma ezingeni eliphezulu bafowethu to the highest level. Bengingacabanga ukuthi uPeterson angafika kule level but ukwazile ukufika. And then one of the most improved players bengikhuluma ngoCross day or two back but kuSolomons bafethu uku-improve kwakhe. But uku-improve kwaSolomons stems from ukuthi ulwela i-contract. So i-contract kaSolomons iyaphela makuphela isizini. So ulwela i-contract nanokuthi-ke udlala userious ngempela bafethu, just ufuna ukuprove ukuthi uyadeserve ukuba ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I think ama-players laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs amaningi bafethu they have to fight noma kuthola ukuthi i-contract usaselelwe yi-3 years but-ke mase sekabona ukuthi isikhathi sesiyaphela uyafight, uyalwa ngempela, uyaqala ukudeliver ukudeliver ama-good performances every game. Uyambona like amaphutha wakaSolomons manje awekho kulama game lawa adlalile. Uyambona ukuthi uzonika uThabiso Munyane i-competition but-ke uThabiso Munyane he brings more balance but-ke sebane-option nasebhenchini ukuthi uSolomons uyakwazi ukungena aperforme. So umuntu naye sebanga-builder around yena bamthembe noma baplane ukuthi okay uThabiso Munyane uzodlala how many minutes makaba ney'nkinga nawe uSolomons uyangena. uSolomons futhi into ayilethayo laphana egamini ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ibaluleke kakhulu, he brings the speed. Imagine umfake 75 minutes abantu bakhathele uthi nje balande Solomons noma ungambeka lese kuma-different position like i-position efana une-speed, is not just ukudefenda kuphela uvele umbeke laphana ku-midfielder sebalandwa ngempela-ke manje. So angakulethela leyo nto le i-speed nanokuthi akasabi ukubalanda. I mean he's playing for his life manje. U-improve kakhulu, uye umuntu ekumele naye simshayele izandla sisho ukuthi hayi mfowethu siyakubona. There's something that I saw earlier on about Eden McCarthy. Eden McCarthy ukuthi angakwazi naye ukudlala ku-defensive midfield. Why Eden McCarthy ngithi angakwazi ukudlala ku-defensive midfielder la kudlalwa khona uMthetho? Because uMthetho bengisasho nayizolo ukuthi ngeke adlala wonke ama-game. Kunama-moments la ubona khona ukuthi uMthetho is not comfortable on the ball. Thola ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-dominate ibhola kakhulu. They need him to pass kahle. So what McCarthy brings to the game, ama-passes wakhe good kakhulu. I mean umbona noma laphana emuva kushayela i-through pass ithole i-strike or ithole i-winger lihamba phansi ibhola lakhona. So kwamanye ama-game badinga umuntu okwazi ukuphasa kahle kakhulu, especially mabazodominate igame. Badinga umuntu o-comfortable on the ball ozokwazi ukuliphasa, ozokwazi ukudictate i-tempo nyana laphana esiswini. A good passer off the ball, the most important thing. uNgcobo siyazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukuyidlala leyo role perfect kahle. Naye omunye o-improve kakhulu this season compared to the previous seasons, u-improve kakhulu. Naye again uku-same scenario noSolomons, i-contract yakhe yaphela makuphela isizini but i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-clause, banga-triggera i-clause ukuthi bayi-renew i-contract yakhe without even uku-negotiate naye because of i-under i-contract. So sobona ukuthi izinto zizomhambela kanjani but ama-player amaningi ayi-improvile but kune-worry ekumele, I think it's very important to mention this bafethu. Yabona as much as kunama-positives amaningi kumele sibheke laphana ukuthi i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs easily exposed. Kunama-moments isikhathi esiningi ababa-attack because of yibo abadominate ibhola but uma baqala ukuba-attack, I mean i-Orbit College ngabe ishaya at least 3 goals. If uPeterson ushaya ama-double save, uPeterson usave laphana amabhola, I think usave amabhola crucial awu-3 and they considered reckless, easy. They were beaten easy even i-defense. Kusho ukuthi laphana emoyeni ama-oppositions angaqala ukubheka ukuthi okay uMcCarthy akekho good laphana emoyeni masiloke sifaka ibhola eboxini. So bayabheka ama-weaknesses wabo ukuthi kungaba yini. maybe baba flat-footed isikhathi esiningi ngoba akumelanga ba-defend, but there was a time la i-Orbit ihlasela khona ithola ama-opportunities, and then kulawo ma-moments lawo kumele sibuze ama-questions ukuthi okay, is this the defense ezobawinela izinto? I-defense le abayithembayo? That is why mangikhuluma ngoTore lo bekadlalela iStellenbosch ule UAE but i-contract yakhe bayikhanselile uyi-free agent is linked with Kaizer Chiefs. Mangikhuluma ngaye njalo abantu bavele bathi hey, asim-ede lo muntu lona because of i-Kaizer Chiefs i-defense yakhona ngeke uyithembe. Even oKonika banesikhathi sabo la ubona khona ukuthi hayi akuhambi kahle. I think ama-trauma walast season mawubheka ukuthi usibanibani ku-game esowuphefome kanjani, mawubheka i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs, even oGiven Msimango banama-moments wabo la ongeke ubathembe khona. Ubani i-defender le-Kaizer Chiefs ongalithemba ongaya ngale empini uze usho uyabona-ke lo uzokwazi ukudefenda for i-team, because i-Nacho Miguel is bit shaky. uKwinika this season uKwinika uphefoma kahle kakhulu, angifuni ukuqamba amanga, but-ke previously-ke siyamazi ukuthi unokuba namaphutha wakhe uKwinika kwamanye ama-game. So yeah, izinto ekumele babheke ukuthi okay, kubalulekile ukuthi babhife up i-defense because laphana ku-back four noma central la kudlala uKwinika uNacho Miguel azange bathenga umuntu omusha, kusase-same defense leya last season, just nje bapromote uMcCarthy kuphela, and then-ke abantu ababathengile i-right back ne-left back kulawo ma-position lapho abantu abathengile, but-ke not lapha ne-central. Fine. I think they really have to try and man babe ne-depth eserious even lapha nemuva, because ku-continental level bazodinga abantu ngempela, the sense of aggression iyadingeka. Ukuthi noma udlala nabo ucabanga usho ukuthi hey, i-aggression laphana mangibhekana nalabantu akukho lula. They have that thing kuma-different departments, but-ke they need it more laphana emuva ukuthi ama-defender wabo may-attack i-Kaizer Chiefs mayihlaseliwa straight ukuthi isikhathi esiningi badominate i-position kakhulu. So mabaqala ukuhlaseliwa, I mean i-Orbit College i-team bengayicabangeli nokuyicabangela ukuthi ingabanika inkinga, but there were moments la i-defense yabo ibonakala i-shaky, izinto kumele ezama-defenders bona kumele ba-improve kuyo bafethu babheke. But so far i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs asishayeleni izandla, yenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu, but asisho ukuthi ngeke i-improve. So ama-moments amancane njengoba bengishilo ukuthi noma kuthiwa kuhle, but khona la ubona khona ukuthi oh, they can improve, they can work on this. I wanna get to uDudley. uDudley ukhulume ngokuthi uliqale kuphi ibhola, but-ke the most important thing uyasho ukuthi iphupho for yena nanokuthi ku-right kakhulu ukuthi edlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But funny enough uDudley ukhulume indaba yokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imfune mayimsayina bese kuna 2 years imfuna because of banegotiate-ile i-deal ne-Cape Town Spurs. I-Cape Town last minute uthi i-deal ya-collapse, i-Kaizer Chiefs yaphinde yabuya futhi 2 years later izomfuna futhi, lucky enough-ke after 2 years-ke bakwazi ukuvumelana ne-deal, wakwazi ukujoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs. Cape Town kusho ukuthi i-Cape Town Spurs okokuqala befuna imali eningi, bavumelana ngezinto only to change ekugcineni ukuthi hayi sefuna more money from i-Kaizer Chiefs, kanti they've agreed ekuqaleni. So uDudley ngabe wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs kudala bafethu, not ngalesi la ejoyine khona, ngabe ujoyine 2 years early because of khulume yena ukuthi bebanegotiate but only i-deal ukuthi azange ibe right. Uthi mayeqala ukudlala laphana bafethu, mefika nje laphana e-village noma e-Naturena azange akholwe ukuthi ama-facilities anje, everything nje proper. Wethi bekahamba no-Kaizer Motaung Junior am-introducer, ambonisa nama-trophies laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi ba-achieveni. Uthi ukudlala laphana ku-sold out stadium against Orlando Pirates ku-Soweto Derby uthi eish yeah kuyathusa, but at the same time ku-exciting kakhulu. But uthi khona ama-senior players laphana akwazile ukumsiza ukuthi akwazi uku-adjust-a to impilo yakhe entsha laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokudlalela i-national team. Uku-highlight-ile lokho ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani for yena ukuthi adlalele i-national team, and then he also spoke about ukudlala first game yakhe for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bekangakholwa. Enye into ebalulekile bafethu kumele ayishilo laphana ukuthi khona izinto ekumele bezi-appreciate bona ezama-footballers, ukuthi baningi kakhulu abantu abaphuphayo ngokuthi badlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs, bona banayo le opportunity le ukuthi badlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs. So izinto vele lezi ekungamelanga bafethu